Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you get the Verizon Fios app on Samsung Smart TV. So here's a guide to install, login, and forecasting options. Step 1, if your Samsung TV supports the app, you need to press the home button on your Samsung remote, open app, select the search icon, search for Fios TV, select the app and choose install. Open the app and sign in with your Verizon account. If the app doesn't appear in search, your TV is not supported. Step 2, if the app isn't available for most current TVs, you can follow the below steps. Use the Fios TV mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Use a supported streaming device such as Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, or Verizon Stream TV. If your Fios device supports the Fios TV home app. Connect your Verizon Fios set-top box to your Samsung TV via HDMI for the full Fios TV experience. Step 3. If you can't find the app, you need to update your Samsung TV to the latest software. Restart your TV, reset the Smart Hub if necessary. Search for Fios TV again in the App Store. If it still doesn't appear, the app is no longer supported on your TV model. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.